Now, for decades, pancreatic cancer has been one of the hardest to treat, and now a new daily pill is offering a potent new option for patients with advanced disease. Also, what if I told you that one of the nature's strangest survivors holds a clue to fighting cancer in general? Well, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration has approved daraxonrasib, sold under the brand name of Rasonque, for adults with metastatic pancreatic cancer. Now, that's not all. It would be applicable only to those who have received at least one prior systemic treatment, or those who haven't signed up for multi-agent therapy. Now, a clinical trial has shown patients with metastatic pancreatic cancer taking the drug can live nearly twice as long on the new drug than those on standard chemotherapy, precisely about 13.2 months over 6.7 months. Scientists view it as nothing short of a breakthrough. In fact, it marks the first approved targeted therapy for pancreatic cancer designed to inhibit RAS, a pathway that has long been considered extremely difficult to target. And that is what makes this approval so significant. And this could mark a turning point in the fight against one of the deadliest forms of cancer. However, experts are not just stopping at one option. Scientists are now looking closely at natural defenses for clues that could one day help human cancer research in bats. Now, why is that? Now, case in point are long-lived bats. They can live for decades despite the cellular damage that builds up with aging. Researchers now want the same for humans, but how would that be even possible? Well, in the little brown bat, scientists found high activity of p53, which is a protein that helps protect cells from becoming cancerous. And they also found extra copies of the particular gene which helps make this protective protein. In other words, when the damage was beyond repair, the cells appeared to choose self-destruction over survival. And this proves to be particularly significant because damaged cells that escape destruction can potentially become cancerous. Researchers say they found a similar strategy in elephants, which is another long-lived cancer-resistant species. But here is the catch. These findings are still an early biological clue and not a treatment for cancer itself, at least not yet. The big question is whether scientists can translate these natural defenses into the new ways of preventing or treating cancer in humans.